past 30 days, this YouTube channel has been making anything from $200 to $3,000 on a daily basis, and they do so by just uploading simple kids educational videos to their channel. I'm going to show you how to do this kind of content using free tools. All you have to do to start creating this kind of content and start making money is to sit down, relax, and follow the step I'm going to show you in this video. So without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So to get started, the first thing you have to do is to come up with your video idea. You know it's educational, so you have to come up with educational video ideas. But if you don't have ideas, don't worry. Go over to ChatGPT to generate ideas. ChatGPT will help you to generate ideas. Just type in the prompt that, hey ChatGPT, I need ideas on my channel. I want to start creating kids educational content and all of that. So ChatGPT will generate ideas for you. So for the sake of this tutorial, I already have my ideas. Ask ChatGPT for cartoon ideas. For me, I already have my ideas, so I'll just ask ChatGPT to give me 5 fruits and their nutritional benefits for kids. Make sure to always add for kids so that it will be tailored for kids. So I'll just click enter after I've done it. I'm dragging in this data so it will not cover what I am showing you. So this is for kids. So click enter, and of course ChatGPT has given us 5: grapes, orange, strawberry, apple. Since ChatGPT has generated ideas for us, the next thing to generate is our script. So I'll just turn this to children educational script, where each fruit will introduce itself to the kids and list nutritional benefits. Well, ChatGPT has generated our script for us. You can see it's very easy. So now that we have the idea and the script ready, next thing we are going to do is to generate the cartoon. That is the image we are going to be using for the animation, and we are going to be using a web app called Canva, my favorite design app. So let's head over to Canva, go to create a design, click on video, and this is our work area. This is the canvas, and by your left you see design, elements, text, and all of that. So go to elements and we'll search for the fruits. Yes, first I'm going to design apple first, so I'll just search for apple. So let me click on the search bar and search apple. Yes, these are different sample or different design for apple. So since I already have it on my recently used, I'll just go to my recently used to select apple. I think I prefer that one more, so I'll change the color to lighter red. Yes, I need to be poppy, so I'll just drag and centralize, and then I'll go to elements again to search for cartoon face. If it's your first time searching, you will not have this history, but since it's not my first time, so you see, but most of them requires you to have Canva Pro, and I said earlier in this video that all we're going to be doing is going to be free. So go to my recently used and I'll just click on it. You can see this one is free. I'm not using a Canva Pro, I'm using just Canva, and it's free. So I'll drag the mount. I already have this one on my recently used, but the good thing about Canva is that they have magic recommendation. Once they see that you need something like this, they'll just recommend magically, and it's wow. So I just resize my apple mouth and the eyes. You can see this mouth is mouthy. So I'll go to upload the leg and the arms. I got this leg externally because we are doing it free of charge. We're not using Canva Pro. There's no way I could get the leg, cartoon leg here, because it requires us to have Canva Pro. So I had to download it externally from another source. So if you want me to show you how I downloaded this, you can comment on the comment box that I should show you a video on how to get this cartoon leg, and I will do a video of it. If I get a lot of response, I will do a video on it, but if I don't, so I'll guess that you already have Canva Pro, or you also have your way around it. So I'll just resize the arm that we have here. You can see I only have one leg and one arm, so one leg and one arm. Why? Because I only need one. So all we need to do is to flip. You can see I just flip the arm, just need one. So you flip to the right or flip to the left depending on the one you use first. So I'll just resize it. I'm not allowing it to touch each other. You can see my apple is not talking, so I'll duplicate the page because I'm doing for other fruits. You get, I'm doing for banana too, so I'll just go over to banana. I have it on my recently used to, so I'll go over and click banana and resize it. I'm deleting the apple here, just the apple face, the red apple face here, so it will not be like a long walk for us. We are just duplicating the page and then changing the fruit. So to do this, I've deleted it, and then I will drag my apple to where the face is, and then I'll click on layer and send it to back here, so that we have the apple, the banana at the back. And then I'll resize the eyes and resize the mouth also to make it fit into the banana. And then as well I will resize the arms and leg. So just do a bit of resizing here, so I need it to look professional. Yes, there's no room for amateur. Is this not beautiful, guys? So while we are still working, if you're new here and you have not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? I'm giving this all knowledge for free, and there are a lot of tutorials where you need to pay for this kind of knowledge, but no, I said that I need to give you for free of charge. And then you have not subscribed, this is the only way to support me, by subscribing. If you've not, turn on notification also, so you get notified whenever I post any video. And also like this video. You liking this video will make YouTube show it to more potential viewers like you that need this kind of content. Please like, subscribe and share this video. So I'll just duplicate the other one and then add another fruit. In order not for me not to bore you, I'll just fast forward this page. This is the same thing for strawberry and orange, but for a grape, but because we have Canva Pro, it's more difficult to get a good grape. So what I did was to go in search for orange. I clicked on orange and I went to edit photo to turn this orange to more like grape, the purple grapey color. So I turned to edit image, and as you can see on the screen, I used this to get our grape. The same thing, so I'll send to back, and this is how I got our grape with our few features. But if you already have Canva Pro, it's more easy to get the grape. So I went ahead to rename this project for simplicity purpose and went to share, download, and I downloaded as PNG. Download as PNG, not as video. So this is our design that's been downloaded to our system. Yeah, this is our drawing. The next thing to do now after getting our cartoon is to animate our characters, and we are going to use animated drawing for this. You can search animated drawing. So here the first thing is to click on get started, and then we upload the photo. So just upload it step by step. Upload the first image. Our first image is apple, so just upload our apple here. Click agree and next, and we just resize it a bit. So once we finish resizing, click on next. Then here comes our animation. You can select from different animation. We have walking, dancing, strolling, any one of your choice. But for me, I'll just download 3 different animations. You can download the hello. So to download any of the animation, you just click on this box here where we have the expand. So once we click on it, I'll come over to this 3 dots here and click on it. So once you click on it, it will show you different options, which of course one is download. So I'll click on the download. This will automatically download the animation to our system. So just use this step for other fruits like banana, strawberry, and all of that. So once you've downloaded all of the fruits, we will now go over to the next step. So go over to ChatGPT to copy the script it generated for us earlier. This is what we are going to be using for our voiceover. So I'll head over to Level Lab to generate our voiceover. So just copy and paste the script we got from ChatGPT, and then we'll select our speaker, our voice, okay? And then let's play it to listen to the voice.
Hey there, kiddos. I'm Banana, your friendly yellow buddy. Do you know what makes me awesome? Well, besides being delicious, I'm packed with nutrients that...
So I'll just click on this down arrow to save it to my system. It will pop up for me to save. You can rename it. So I'll just click save to save it to my system. You can go ahead and repeat the same process for other fruits, the banana, the strawberry, the pear, or grape. Yes, so instead of me not to bore you, I'll just run it up. So head back into Canva, we'll go to upload and upload our animated cartoons. You know, we uploaded different animation for one cartoon. Like for this apple, I downloaded like 3 animations, the sitting, the walking. So go to elements to beautify our background. I'll click on this grass. I'll just resize it to fit what I want. You can see this cartoon will come to life very soon. I know it's already lively, yes, but to beautify the whole background, I'll just choose, I think I like this tree. I'll just choose different elements to make it beautiful, to make it real. So I'll send this to back. You can see it's not sitting very well. I'll click on it. I'll go to layer and send to back so that it will be at the back. So I'll just add in different elements. You can just search as many elements as you want to make it beautiful. I'm adding the sun. Yes, and I'll add 2 types of sun. I'll add this one first. Yes, and then I'll add this one that's sparkling. This sparkling or sparkling. I had this other one, but I'm setting first. So I'll just add butterfly. You know, things that you see in the garden to make our animation beautiful, so it will be real. It won't look amateur. You have to do it professionally. Yes, people are going to watch it in how many years time, so it won't look as if this person is a novice. Though it's not bad starting new. So just search for different elements to add to the background. In order for me not to bore you, I'll just fasten this process. Since we are done with the background, I'll go over to add our voice over. So I'll go to upload and upload the voice. I'll just drag it down, or you can click on it, drag it down to where the page is. You can see like the way I'm doing here to get our voice. We successfully added the voice over. So now the next thing we're going to do is to duplicate this page. So click on this 3 dots and click duplicate page. Yes, we already have it duplicated. So what we are now going to do is to add different animation. We only added one animation earlier, so we'll add other animations. Once we add it, you see we have to send it to the back, so it will be laying well, sent to the back. And after this, we are going to duplicate the page again to add the other animation, still for Apple. So depending on how much animations you have.
Hi everyone.
So repeat the same process for other fruits and save it to your device. So I'll just show you how to save to your device on Canva. So to save, go over to this top right corner here where we have share. Click on download and save. So it's downloading. In a few seconds it will be done downloading, and this will take us to the last step, which I love. So go to CapCut, click on import, click on the video we just saved from Canva and click on open. So this is our video. So drag it now to the timeline so we can work on it. So we'll go over to caption. English has already been selected, so go to generate caption. It will take few seconds. You're seeing creating auto caption. Yes, this is our auto caption. Now we'll now click on the caption and then go over to this top right. You can see test, caption test, automation testing. So we'll now click on the caption art. You can start all over from the beginning by creating yours, but I want to select the caption art I want. Select the caption art that will go with your video. You know, this is kids educational video, so select something that will pop out. I love this one, so I'm choosing this for my video. So let's play it and see our final video.
Hi everyone, I'm Apple, the crunchy and juicy friend you love to munch on. Want to know why I'm so great? I'm bursting with antioxidants and vitamin C to keep you feeling super duper. Plus, my fiber will help keep your tummy feeling full and happy all day long.
Wow, this is so cool, right? I know you are saying you can't believe you're doing this, right? So all you have to do is to build on it, and export and upload it to your YouTube channel. I made a video on how to build a YouTube channel and optimize the YouTube channel. I'm going to drop the link here, so you can go and watch it and create your own YouTube channel. And also I made a previous tutorial on how to animate, on how to create animation using Canva for free too. So I'm also going to drop it here so that you go and watch it after this. Okay, until next time, bye.